2,000 pi can make you rich in the next 2 to 3 years. I'm going to show you why that is very possible and how to accumulate the 2,000 pi in this very video. Well, before I get into that, if you look at this very price action right here, it is covered that after the market pump all the way to the upside from this very point, we have this very area right here, market pump, we have retracement, market move, and then consolidation right at this point, market move again, and the market is right now trading at 1.78 per pi. And if you take the fib retracement tool and you take from here, that is where the listing price is, and you draw it to this very point right here, okay, you discover that the market have these retracement levels, and the most important retracement level right here is this very point where the market is right now. That is the 0.382. Look at it, 0.382, and that is exact same line where the market is right now, which is very, very critical. And the next point is this very area of 0.50, okay, this very point right here. And the next one is this very point, okay. I don't think the market is going to crash into this very fib level, which is also very important. However, this is where we need to pay attention to right now, this very zone right here. But before that, if you take a look at where the market is right now, this very point, you see that there is a consolidation, and consolidation in the market mean a build-up of momentum. Build-up of momentum in the sense that market can go down or up, but it should be in line with the prevailing trend, especially in this very case. If you look at it, market move down, go up, retracement, and then is a continuation of the downward movement. And if you look at it, if you draw from this very point, this is a consolidation. So consolidation at this very point means that the market have capability of coming all the way to the downside, and that is very, very important. So what we should be paying attention to right now is for the market to break out of this consolidation and move upward or downward. Most time it will go in the direction of the trend, because if you look at it, this market is coming down, and that is what we should pay attention to right now. So from here, market is consolidating, and this consolidation is very important. So here and this very point is an important level we need to pay attention to, because if the market breaks out on either support right here or resistance at this very point, it means that the market is going to move upward or down. At this very point where the market is right now is already overbought. However, market can still dip down, and that is what I am expecting. Market should come down a little bit, okay, and then move upward. And if you are on the Telegram channel, you know that we took a trade right at this very point, okay, after this very breakout, and the market move in our favor and come back down, move again. And right now market is trading at this very price, which I still believe market is still going to go up. Even though market go down, it's going to move upward. But one thing that is very, very important here is this very breakout that is about to take place. Let's wait for this very breakout to happen first of all, before we can say the market is going to go down or market is going to move up. I still believe that even though market break out on this very level of support right here and come back down, market have capability of moving all the way to the upside. In that very trade we took, if you check right here on the Telegram channel, discover that this very trade right here was a very nice trade, market moving of you, because I actually waited for that very target to come through before giving that very signal. Look at it right here. And our entry position was very, very defined at this very point, and our target is at this very area, while our stop loss is slightly below this very spike. And that is exact same spike we see right at this very point. So I'm not expecting that the market go into this very level, that is market crash all the way from this very point into this area and stop us out. The possibility is there, but that is not what I'm expecting. I'm expecting that the market drop a little bit, okay, collect liquidity from this very point right here, and then move upward. That is what I am personally expecting if the market break out on this level of important support. However, market also have possibility of breaking out on this very level of resistance, and if that happen, then that means market is going to move up from here, and that is very critical from what we are seeing on price action. And from what I am seeing, market is still going to move upward irregardless of if the market breakout here is going to move upward. And this very point where our stop loss is a fair place enough that if the market goes down, that means if market goes down and hit us out of the position, market is going to go up and then continue that movement to the downside. Because when I want to take a trade, I want to set my stop loss at a place where it will invalidate my setup. What that means is if my setup is invalidated, it means that market stop me out, and it should not be a stop loss hunt. That means it should not stop me out and begin to move all the way upward. It should stop me out, okay, and continue in that direction. That means my setup is invalidated and the market is going to go the opposite direction of my prediction, which is very important thing all technical analysts should do. And I am still in this very trade, like most of us that is also in this very Telegram channel, which is very important. I dropped this very update few hours ago. What's your take on this Pi USDT trade? No bullish or bearish volume. Market sucks. Will Pi USDT go bullish or bearish? And right now, market is at this very point. So if you want to join the Telegram channel, the link in the description of this very video for more crypto update like this one and all that information and strategic investing strategies. 2000 Pi can make you rich in the next 2 to 3 years, and there are two ways you can stack this 2000 Pi. The first one is by mining. Okay, so you engage in the mining process of Pi, and if you've not started mining yet, I will leave a link in the description of this very video and also in the pinned comment. Mine right now is absolutely free, and you can mine Pi. Just download the app on your Google Play Store or your iOS store and then start mining right away. You have to ensure that when you are filling the form, you take an ID card that you will know you will use for verification and put the correct first name and the last name right there, exactly as it is on the ID card. Put it right there, and you continue with the registration process, and then you start mining, and you can accumulate 2000 Pi in the next 2 to 3 years. I have seen people that accumulate over 5000 Pi in this very period. And one thing that is very important here is that if you accumulate that and Pi gets to $10 per Pi or $20 per Pi as the case may be, and that is very, very possible. So let's say 2000 Pi, if you can mine 2000 Pi and you multiply this by 20, okay, which is my highest in the next 2 to 3 years, you will have $40,000, okay. And this is a gradual process. It's not immediate, and you are not going to mine 2000 Pi in 1 year. You can do that in 2 to 3 years, which is very, very possible. And I'm going to show you a video on how to mine Pi very fast in my future video. So this is very important. And if market do $10 per Pi, which is very possible in the next 2 to 3 years, you will be having $20,000. This is putting no money down. You're not putting any money down, just mining. And this is very possible. So you can give this very target and get 2000 Pi in the next 2 to 3 years. And another way you can do it is if you have some money, you can spend $1,200 and acquire Pi right now. Or you wait as market go down. If there is a breakout, market go down, you buy at a lower price, and then when market move up to maybe $10 or $20 as the case may be, you will be in significant profit. So let's say you buy right here at the current market price right now, let's say 2000 Pi, okay, divide by the current market price of 1.78, you are going to have this amount of dollars to buy Pi from where it is right now. This is $1,123. So if you do that and Pi move to $10 or $20 as the case may be, that means you should be making the least $40,000 in the next 2 to 3 years. And this can be a goal and a target that can be reached. Very, very simple. So two ways you can make a significant amount of money from Pi, and this can make you rich possibly in the next 2 to 3 years, is by mining and also by acquiring Pi with $1,123. And this is very, very simple. I also believe that the Pi token is going to do well, even though we see the market move down, it's still going to move all the way upward. This coin have climbed all the way from 3,000 by market capitalization to the 11th position by market capitalization, which means it have more potential of doing very, very well in the next 2 to 3 years. So 2,000 pi can make you rich in the next 2 to 3 years, and you can mine it or you buy it at the current market price right now. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news updates, day trading and investing strategies. Thanks for your support.